In 2 minutes, we are about to start our last game for the semis. Who will be the next team for the finals?
Mamaya, bagsak yan. Kamaan yan.
Bakit sila? Bukalang dito sila.
Dali na, hindi ko na dito. Bagsak na ito eh.
Grabe yung support mo?
Team Pansit Canton and Thornton Warriors, can we officiate the game, please? Team Pansit Canton and Thornton Warriors, can we officiate the game, please? Thank you. Our officials for today, Team Pansit Canton, main referee, Renard. Main referee, sino po? Si Cams? Guys, just a reminder as well, kalat mo, itapon mo. Here, we have here plastic bag, okay? Kalat mo, itapon mo. Lovely. Kung hindi nyo itatapon, itatapon namin. Ganda naman dito. We're giving. One more minute, my friend. Ooh! One more minute. Also, we have House of S-Boy, our partner for our season. Cat's Coffee as well. We have it outside. Captain Cabanova. Captain Cabanova. Tapos na natin to. Papakabahin nyo na yung mga tao. Handshake. Hand wash. Sino po sa serve? To serve. Whoa. Pack. Galing. Sino kaya? Ang Wolf or ang Cats? Sino mas malakas for today's season? Let's do this! Last game for our semi-finals. We got Mr. Wolfpack and Johnson Thundercats. Go lang, best. Kumuha kasi sila ng ano, ay hindi sila. Sabay-sabay. Mag-isa lang tuloy ako dito. Uwihi silang lahat eh. To serve, Crystal Wolfpack, that of Moses. Oh, sample lang daw yun. Ready? Nice. Regan. Set by. Pakay one. Out! Masyadong malakas for today's season. what I'm saying for number 1. Sorry po. 2-1. Yan. Service number 8. Set by number 8. Attack. Uy! Nice! Nice decision! Service number 8. Captain for the Thundercats. Marie. Wow! Buti na lang nakaliba ko hanggang next week. Yung boses ko para recover. Outside Chicago by number 16. 3-all. Another ticket na naman for semi-finals. Nice. Set by lane number 24. Free ball for Wolfpack. Set by A. Roy! Napos. Service, Mara, number 3. Set. Free ball. You are really giving number 24. You're giving me saving, you know what I mean? You're saving the ball. 17 years old, you got a lot of future ahead of you, darling. Oy! Ayan na naman siya. Free ball. Set again by A. Ibibigay ba niya siya? 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Set by 2, 6. Free ball for 24. Set by 1. Free ball again. Binigay. Set by 2. Uy! Yan! Score! For Thundercats. Service number 1. 5-4. 24, giving? Not yet. Points for Wolfpack. Service, 5-all. Service, Renan, number 21. Outside. Mabilis ang green flash si Mara. Perfect. Diba? Galing eh. Biglang atras eh. Number 7 to serve. Wow. That's totally fine. That's okay. 6-all. Number 24 to serve. Wolfpack. Shot serve. Set by 1. Binigay 2. 6 to serve. in favor of Tiger Cats. Service number 6. Outside. 8-7. Push back. 8-7 to serve. Wolfpack. In. Outside from the umpire. 8-all. Outside as well. 9-8. Service number 2. Good service. Nice. Free ball for the Wolfpack. Set by 8. Chris to attack. Denied. Set by 8. Nice. Free ball again for the Wolfpack. Set by 8. No. Attack by 1. Penalty toss. Penalty toss by 8. Nice receive. Yon, nice save. Set by 8. Chris to attack. Oh! Umikot ang bola sa net. Wow. 10-all. Higit na naman. Dangerous. Let's go back. It's a ball game. Score after the timeout, 10-11. Now in favor of Wolfpack. Wolfpack. Service, rest. Number 6. 8 pala. Right service. Set by number 2. Attack by 1. Outside Chicago. Set by 2. Nice kick. Nice kick. Free ball. Freedom. Nice service. Free ball. 1. Oy! Ang tulis, ang lalim. Number 1. Substitution. Number 5 in. Number 7 out. Number 2 to save the ball. Free ball. Set number 2. Bibigay na. Outside. Calculated. Subject best. Substitution from Thundercats. In number 4 ito eh. Tama ba? Yes, number 4 siya. Do we have a call? Is it a lifting? It's the lifting. Okay, we have a call. Number 24, you are giving very fair sa hack, you know, it's so giving very high power energy voltage. Yes, the hot ones. Check to give it. Set by number 1, attack by 6. Good coverage from Wolfpack. Set 24. Yes. 24! Block by the bed! It's giving konting talon pa. You know what I mean? Oh! Yes. 16 on. Oh my God. 16 on. Sabi ng anim na players and the umpire, sabay-sabay talaga sila. Very synchronized, very giving synchronicity, you know what I mean? (16-17) to serve number 24, set by 1. Attack by 2, good coverage with the Wolfpack. Set by 1, we'll try again, 8. Set by 8. Nice. Set by 1. Outside. 16-18 on our first set. God. Woo! Woo! Hello, bosses. Regine. Darling. Kasama dito. Ano nga? Si Pakaya nga.
Talo?
It's giving a high velocity, high altitude ball, you know what I mean? Service by number 6. Inside! Umikot ang bola. Now in favor, Thompson Thundercats 1918. Service number 6. Ganda ng pancake yung number 24. Doon, di lang nakuha. Love the possession. It's giving Oreo pancake, you know what I mean? Kaya. Hey! 21! 80! Time out! Move back! Last time out for both of them for this set. Got 30 seconds. Time out. God, it's skipping. 10 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Back into ball game, ladies and gentlemen. Number 6 to serve. Very serious. Very outside. There we go. Gosh. 21, 19. 2-point lead by the Thundercats. Service. Check. Safe service. Nice. Set by one. Slip from the hand. 21-20. Sorry for the Indian. Going to call. Do we have a touch from the referee? From the referee. Yeah, from the referee. Do we have a touch? No touch from the referee. Number 2 to serve. 22-20. Free ball for Thundercats, set by number 1. Love the foot calculation. Set. Nice. Coverage there. Yeah! Sabi ni Chris, ito na yung chance ko. Kanina pa ako nag-aantay. Service, number 8. Oh, very crucial service from number 8. 24-21, set point for the Thundercats. Yung kami naman ay kanina sa cellphone. Nanonood yata ng live. Service, 8. Yun! Sabi ni Rena, hindi pa daw tayo tapos. Hindi pa din tayo tapos. Nagbago siya kayo ng posisyon. Ang pagkakakilala ko sa kanila ng batang 7. Nag-outside fighter na siya ngayon. Number 4 to serve. Oh! Set one goes through! Thundercats! One minute to change the coin, ladies and gentlemen. They're feeling the service na. Financial service. Ayoko na lang mag-talk. That's undercuts. That's not one.
Let's go, 1 minute up.
Serious? Ikaw na talaga sumisigaw.
Happy birthday.
Isa pa gusto mo? 1 point.
Number 1.
Wow! Love the service. Love the service. Number 4.
Grabe.
3 more points for Thundercats. Set by 1. Binigay lang yung number 2. Chris! The ball is outside. Very nice. Nice. 1-0, isn't it? Isn't it, Pansit? Go number 8. Nice. Set. Free ball out, free ball. Set by 8, Renan. Ibigay number 6 and number 4. Ibigay na. Set by 8. Set by 6. Oh, good cover from the left. Number 3. Number 1. Number 4. Nahuli. Binigay. Yun. Long rally at the moment. Set by 8. Yeah! Grabe, no? Yung parang tahimik na. Biglang. Lock! Lock! Na-lock! Ang ganda nun! Ang ganda pang picture nun! Love it! Ah! Perfect! Akari! Gusto ko yan! Parang Rexona! Alam mo yun? Service number 6. Very serious. Set by 24. Binigay lang ni Renay. Mara. Binigay lang yung number 4. 8 to set. Ayan na naman si Renay. Oh! Nagbago talaga siya yung position. Nagbago siya yung position. Hindi lang sa inside, but ayaw ko naman sa kita. Number 4 again. 6. Communication, ladies and gentlemen. Wait lang. Sige lang kami siya. balls to the line. Outside. Score 6-4. All right, 6-5. Bristol Wolfpack. I'm so sorry. Bristol na nga. Nagkakamali pa yung F ko sa B. Bristol. 7-5. One to hit. Nice coverage from the Wolfpack. Set by number 8. Hindi pa na sinet. Binigay na. 2 to set. 1! There you go! 7-6. Inside. 7-0. Number 2. Nice. Set number 2, 6 to attack. Save by 24. Save by 5. Set by number 8. Attack by 25. Take by number 1. Take by number 8. Set by 2. Attack by 1. Fakayan for the service. Nice jump serve. Set by 2. Good coverage. Bala daw siya tumalon kasi nasa likod siya eh. Nice coverage from Wolfpack. Set by number 2. 3. Set by 8. Ibigay lang ito. 8-4. Set by number 8. Nice. Saved by Mara. Set by 8. Oh! Sayang. Hindi nga naman kasi mag-opposite talaga. We have substitution. Number 7 to number 5. 8. Madam serve. Number 3. Set. Nice jam. Do we have a call from the referee? before we announce who gets the point. Nice coverage as well from Thundercats. Oh! Is there good? Do we have a call? We don't have a call. Did I get any call? May the call back. It's good from both teams. No points. No points. No points for that. One. Nice coverage. Oh! 8-11. We'll announce later. Set by Renai. Nice. Oi! Outside. $8-13. Nice. Set by 8. 24. Saved by 7. Free ball. Number 8. Set by 2. Oh! 8-14. Timeout. Wolfpack. Just a reminder again, as we proceed to our semis, referee will be the final judge, alright? Captain for the team should only be the one to approach the referee. Captain of the team should only be the one to approach the referee. Let's follow the proper volleyball rules. Ready, go back. Service, Mara, number 3, Thundercats. 8-15. 8-15. Mara again to serve.
Sige na, ubusin mo na.
Oi. 1. Inside. 8-16. Set by 2, no. Set by Renan, go 8. Oh! Almost. 9-16. 9-16. Service. Check. Outside. 9-17. Service error from the Thundercats. Service now, roll back. Drop. 24 to set, free ball. Ten-18. Nice save there. Set by 8. Durenan. Nice. Oh! 12-19. Hahabol na ang Wolfpack for this set. Chris to serve. Number 16 to serve. 12-20. Service number 2. Outside. 30-20. Crucial service for Bristol for the rest of the game. Ready to serve. Nice. 40-20. Oh, 21-14.
Service mo. 100% service.
Oh, 24, you're giving. Face. 24, service.
Thank you. Utang muna, pwede.
Nice coverage for 24. Ay, wait, Cams. Lifting yun ba? Ito. Lifting ito. Sorry. The other way, guys. The other way. Nakita ko dito, lifting. Pero tinawag ko dito na. Tinawag naman. Sa place ko. Non-touch and setting technique. $18, $22. Out there. 23-18. Oh no. Final Thundercats. Free ball. Last point for Thundercats. Thundercats proceeds to finals. Guys, we have 5 minutes straight. 5. Congratulations still. What a good game for the Wolfpack. 5. 30 we are strictly starting dahil wala na tayong time. We will strictly start at Official referee for the finals, Genevieve Araneta from the Warriors. Final game, we have Pansin Cadon with the Celamine feature and Total Thundercats. Nasa si Renan. Anong number mo, Renan, ulit? Sorry, 21. Thank you. Three minutes on the time clock, guys. 3 minutes before we start our finals. Time is our enemy for today, unfortunately. Yeah, unfortunately, we won't be having our battle for bronze because of the time. We're gonna do it on our next season because we got the autumn. Our runs will be based on the point difference still. We're gonna announce it later on. 1 minute on the time clock, ladies and gentlemen. 1 minute on the time clock, ladies and gentlemen. Can we do a toss coin now as early as possible? Can we call on Captain for Canton and Captain for Thundercats? There you go. We got the medal here. Let's have the medal toss. Official referee, we've got Genevieve Araneta. Second referee, we've got Renan Almazura. Service, our first set, we've got Total Thundercats. Meron na pala hari, so we've decided na. Alright, let's start our finals, guys. Or else, hanggang first set lang tayo. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Hindi dito kasi hindi ka. ka ba? Kaya House of Esway ka na. Alright, again, official for today, we got Jen as main referee, Renan second referee. All concerned, captain.